guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can enable iMessages on your settings. So sometimes when you try to send a message and a tab pops up that says MMS messaging needs to be enabled or something, and to do that you are going to go to settings and you are going to find messages, and then you are just going to select this, so enable iMessage, and this will pop up. Your carrier may charge for SMS messages used to activate iMessage, and just press OK. But right now there is an error. I think it's due to my Wi-Fi or something like that, but that is basically how you can enable iMessage. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.